it is sine theta equal to a sine theta plus phi. And what you need to prove? Tan of theta plus phi equal to sine phi by cos phi minus k. Now see children, very simple sum. How simple? As I told you, at first always you have to see that what is need to prove here and what is there in the RHS and what you have in the LHS. This part is the RHS which you need to prove. So what is the basic difference, children? Here theta plus phi and phi is there. Here theta plus phi is there, but here you have theta. Here you have theta. You need phi. So what will you do? That is the first thing which I told you. You have to keep that in mind. That okay, sir has told what is on the right hand side, that I should have on the left hand side. I should try to bring that on the left hand side. So let us bring. I can write this one sine of theta plus phi minus equal to k sine theta plus phi. Now this will be what? Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B equal to k sine theta plus phi. And what we have done? We have taken all the similar term on one side. So here also we do the same thing. Now, what I need? Tan. No problem. Take it. The denominator. So this gives us what? Sine of theta plus phi by cos of theta plus phi equal to sine phi by cos phi minus k. Now this gives us what? Tan theta plus phi equal to sine phi minus cos phi minus k. Cot of alpha minus beta by cot alpha plus cos square gamma by cos square alpha equal to 1. Now here what we do, children, try to understand. Here what we have? Cot alpha minus beta by cot alpha. Here what we have? Cos square gamma minus cos square alpha. So here what we do, children, listen carefully. Since it is cos square, so I keep it on the left hand side. Cot of alpha minus beta by cot alpha. Now what you do? You simplify this. How to simplify? 1 minus cos alpha minus beta by sine alpha minus beta. Here cos alpha sine alpha. Now children, all of you know how to take LCM. Now how I know that I have to split up? Because on the left hand side I have cos in terms of cos. So here also I try to bring the same format. Now it is sine alpha minus beta into cos alpha. Now sine alpha minus beta cos alpha minus cos alpha minus beta sine alpha. Now children, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Sine of alpha minus beta into cos alpha. Now this gives us what? This gives us sine of minus beta by sine of alpha minus beta into cos alpha. Now here cos alpha, here cos alpha cancel out. So what we get? We get cos square gamma by cos alpha. Now all of you know sine of minus beta is what? Minus sine beta. Whole divided by sine of alpha minus beta. Very simple. Now Children, what is our proof? Our proof need in terms of tan. So what I'll try to bring, I'll try to bring in terms of cos square gamma. Why? Why cos square gamma? Because children, from cos square I can move on to sec square, and from sec I can move on to tan. So now, after this, my intention is what? Here I have done very simple LCM. Now from here, what I'm trying to do? What is my intention? To get tan square. How? Cos square you have got reciprocal. Now, if I take the reciprocal, what I get? It is sec square gamma equal sine of alpha minus beta by what we have? Cos alpha sine beta. By cos alpha sine beta. Now minus outside. Sine alpha cos beta. Minus cos alpha sine beta. Cos alpha sine. Now sine alpha cos beta by cos alpha sine beta. Minus into minus plus. Cos alpha sine beta by cos alpha sine beta. Now this is what? This is 1. This is what? This is 1. So keep it as 1 only. No problem. Sec square gamma, all of you know, it is 1 plus tan square gamma. Okay. Now 1 plus tan square gamma equal, this is minus tan alpha into cot beta plus 1. Now 1 gone. 1 and 1 is gone. And what we need to prove? That is already has come. Tan square gamma plus tan alpha cot beta equal to 0. And we are done. Here what we have, cos square gamma by cos square alpha. This is, I have taken on the right hand side, and then split up in sine and cos. Why? Because here also you have in terms of sine and cos. LCM, I think all of you want to know how to take. Then it is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B, sine A minus B formula. Sine of minus beta, that is minus sine beta. Our intention is to go to tan square gamma. So I want to isolate cos square gamma. Cos alpha taken on the right hand side. Why reciprocal? Why I'll take reciprocal? Because I need sec square gamma. That is the reason reciprocal. Okay. After that, splitting up. Sine A minus B formula. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine A. Now, sec square gamma is 1 plus tan square gamma. Now, this by this. Sine alpha by cos alpha, tan alpha. That I think you know. Cos by sine cot, and this is 1. Tan theta equal to x sine alpha plus y sine beta. X cos alpha plus y cos beta. We have this, and what is our intention? What we have to prove here? X sine theta plus alpha, theta minus alpha, plus y sine theta minus beta equal to 0. That means basically what they're telling you, isolate x and y. Basically, they are saying isolate x and y. This is what we need to prove. Now, here, what they're telling you, isolate x and y. So, to isolate x and y, that means what? Take all x on one side, all y on the other side. So, here you write sine theta by cos theta equal to x sine alpha plus y sine beta by x cos alpha plus y cos beta. Now cross multiply. X cos alpha sine theta plus y sine theta cos beta equal to x sine alpha cos theta plus y cos theta sine beta Now isolate x and y. That means take all x together. Take all x together and all y together. Sine beta cos theta minus sine theta cos beta. Now sine A cos B minus cos A sine B is what? Sine of A minus B. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B is what? Sine of A minus B. So, but what we need? Beta minus theta we don't need. We need theta minus beta. So do one thing, take a minus common. So sine theta cos beta minus cos theta sine beta. So this will be what? Minus 1. Sine of theta minus beta. And this is what? X sine of theta minus alpha. Now take everything on one side. Sine of theta minus alpha plus y sine of theta minus beta equal to 0. A cos x plus B sin x. Okay, plus C is there, you will tell, sir, what is C? I'll take C. Wait. That you have to think about a triangle where one side is AK and the side is B. And this is what? Root under of A square plus B square into K. K not equal to 0. So here you divide and multiply. Here you do what? Here you divide and multiply. Okay. By what will divide? Here you will divide by root over of A square plus B square and multiply by the same root over of A square plus B square cos x plus B by root over of A square plus B square sin x. Now children, what is this? A by this one is what? Sin theta. It is what? Sin theta. So root over of A square plus B square. It is what? Sin theta cos x plus cos theta sin x. Okay. So root over of A square plus B square sine of theta plus x. It is what? Sine of theta plus x. Now sine of theta plus x is what? All of you know sine of theta plus x is less than equal to 1, greater than equal to minus 1. Multiply by root over of A square plus B square. Less than equal to root over of A square plus B square. Sine of theta plus x less than equal to root over of A square plus B square. Now what is this value? A cos x plus B sin x. What is the value? A cos x plus B sin x. So you substitute the value. A cos x plus B sin x less than equal to root over of A square plus B square, because this is what? This is actually A cos x plus B sin x only. This is the thing. And it's greater than what? Minus under root of A square plus B square. But in our sum, it is not this. They have given plus C. No problem. Now we add plus. No issues. It's not mandatory that we have to add plus at the beginning only. We'll add C now. And we get that this is the maximum value and this is the minimum value. This is the maximum value, this is the minimum value. Express cos theta minus sin theta as r cos of theta plus alpha. Our intention is to get it as cos of theta plus alpha. So this is the intention. So what I talked, that whatever you have, it is A and B. Here A is what? A is 1, B is 1. So multiply and divide by root over of this one square into this one square. 1 by root 2 cos theta minus 1 by root 2 sin theta. So this is what? Root 2. Sin pi by 4 cos theta minus cos pi by 4 sin theta. Now this is what? We will do this when? Always no. If we need in terms of sine. If we need in terms of sine. But here we need in terms of what? Cos. So here this is not taken. This will not take. Why not? Because the thing is that here it is cos. Here what I do in terms of cos. So if it is in terms of cos, children, listen carefully. If it is in terms of cos, so both should be in terms of cos or both should be in terms of sine. If it is in terms of cos, both should be in terms of cos or both should be in terms of sine. So here what I take, cos pi by 4. Why? Here 1 by root 2, here 1 by root 2. Okay? Okay? In this case, what we are saying, it is in term, here is 1 by root 2, here also in terms of root 2. 1 by root 2. So that is the first technique that I told you. That is, here you have to divide by root over of a square plus b square. Here a is 1, here b is 1. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Now, children, since it is in terms of cos, so either both should be in terms of cos or both should be in terms of sine. No cos sine or sine cos. So here what we get? Root 2. Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. Cos of A plus B. That is what is required. The told here to express in this form, we have done that. That is R equals root 2. And alpha here is pi by 4. Since it is in terms of cos, both should be in terms of cos or both should be in terms of sine. Next we come to the second part of this sum. The second part says root 3 sine theta plus cos theta in terms of or in the form of r sine theta plus beta. This is the format which they are asking for. So what is the first technique that has been told to you? That this is your A, this is your B. B is 1 here, A is root 3. So by what will divide and multiply? By root over of A square plus B square. So root over of A square plus B square is root is 2, not root 2, it's 2. Root over of 3 plus 1, 2. Now here we'll divide and multiply by what? By 2. So root 3 by 2 sine theta plus 1 by 2 cos theta. So this will be what? 2. Now what we need in terms of sine. So if one is sine, other will be in cos. If one is in sine, other will be in terms of cos. If one is in cos, other will be in terms of sine. So this will be what? Sine theta cos pi by 6 plus cos theta sine pi by 6. Now this is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So that will be what? Sine of A plus B. Now if you compare, you have got exactly in this format. So R is what? 2. Beta equal to pi by 6. Now it is 5 cos theta plus 12 sin theta plus 12. We have to find the maximum value and minimum value. Very simple. What will start with? Right now. We have 5 cos theta plus 12 sin theta. Now what I told you that here you compare with A cos theta plus B sin theta. So what is A? A is 5. What is B? B is 12. So you think about triangle children where we have this one as 5K, this one is 12K, and this one is 13K, and this is alpha. Now what we'll do? We'll divide here by 13 and multiply by 13. 12 by 13 sine theta into 13. So this is 13 into. Now 5 by 30, that will be what? 5 by 30 is sine alpha. So you can write here sine alpha cos theta plus cos alpha sine theta. That is 13 sine of alpha plus theta. Now we know sine of theta plus alpha less than equal to 1 greater than equal to minus 1. Now multiply throughout by 13. So 13 sine theta plus alpha less than equal to 13 greater than equal to minus 13. Now what is our requirement? See, actually what we have got? We have got minus 13 less than equal to, what is this 13 sine of theta plus alpha? This one means what? This one. So put the value 5 cos theta plus 12 sine theta less than equal to 13. But what is our requirement? Plus 12. So now we'll add 12 minus 13 plus 12 less than equal to 5 cos theta plus 12 sine theta plus 12 less than equal to 13 plus 12. Now that is what? Maximum value is 25 and minimum value is minus 1. If the given expression is E, so the E is lying between what? Between this one. E is lying between what? E is coming as less than equal to 25 greater than equal to minus 1. E is lying from 25 and minus 1 here. It is 25 and it's minus 1. So max value 25, mean value minus 1. So A cos theta plus B sine theta plus alpha. Here A cos theta plus B sine theta plus alpha, we have to find the maximum value. It is given A, B and alpha are constants. These are constants. So we split up as A cos theta plus B sine theta cos alpha plus B cos theta sine alpha. It's cos theta sine alpha. Now what we'll do? We'll take cos theta common. Why? That I'll explain. B sine alpha plus sine theta common is B cos alpha. Now this is a constant part, this is a constant. You can compare this. Same way, A cos theta, B sine theta. So what is the technique I told you? You have to divide and multiply by what? By root over square plus b square. But that will be a bit lengthy in this case. So I will apply a different technique. What? See, I will say let A plus B sine alpha as sum R sine beta and B cos alpha I'll take as R cos beta. Just have taken any other variable because A plus the calculation you can understand root over of this square plus this square will be a bit lengthy. So to reduce that, I have to look at this whole thing. I'll take as r sin beta, and this whole thing I'll take r cos beta. Now, this is what r sin beta cos theta plus r cos beta sin theta. Now this gives us what? R common sin beta cos theta plus cos beta sin theta. This gives you what? R sine of theta plus beta. Just I've taken this one R, this one as R cos alpha, this one as sine beta. Now all of us know that sine of theta plus beta is what? Less than equal to 1. Therefore, R sine theta plus beta will be what? Less than equal to 1. So what is the maximum value? Maximum value is R. But I have to find out. I have taken this one as R sine beta. This one I have taken as cos beta. Generally, we do that only. That we write this one as something of suppose cos beta, this is as sine beta. So I have taken R into this R. Now, because you see, you have multiplied by something. So you have to find R. How to find R? See, very simple. This is 1, this is 2. Square and add. You'll get R. Simply square and add. So squaring and adding 1 and 2. So I take it to the next page. Squaring and adding 1 and 2. So what I get? R square common cos square beta plus sine square beta on the left. On the right, what is that? A plus whole square plus b cos alpha whole square. Add a square plus b square plus 2ab sine alpha. This is our R square. This is what is R square. So what is R? R is under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab sine alpha. What we have done? Squaring and add. A square plus b square sine square alpha plus b square cos alpha cos square alpha. That will be b square only. Because sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is what? 1, 2ab sine alpha. And you got R. So this is slightly different technique which I have applied. Here I have taken this one as R sine beta, this one as R cos beta, and then squaring on to get R. And here I have put the value to get the maximum value of the expression R. Done.